Hey guys, I'm back. Sorry it's been so long. I just haven't been feeling the greatest in quite a while. Sorry about the wind. The wind's kicking up here. We actually got a storm coming in tonight, possible tornadoes. Probably, I don't know, maybe for the next week or so. Anyways, I know it's been a while. Nothing's really been done because we had a lot of snow and like actually below freezing, below zero temperatures. Right now we're gonna have my kids come out here and help me clean up, and we're gonna get back to it slowly but surely. I'm gonna start, like I said in the last video, I'm gonna start taking all this stuff here, this wood here, the bed frame, like I said last time. I'm gonna start making stuff set up here, see what I can do, what I got. See if I have enough to throw something together to expand, to go from like this to, out here. I don't know if I'm gonna quite double the length. I'll just give them a little more space and try to seal the bottom up so they can be warmer. They did pretty good through the snow and the ice and everything we had. I will be taking more of their droppings and poop and all stuff and put it here. I think I'm gonna try to do as much as I can in here. Do one more till it up real good. Let it stay for a couple more days, and then I'll start planning and see what happens. But as far as that's what's gonna happen here soon. Like probably the next a couple days, depending on the weather. See how it holds up. And actually I got an idea too. I'm seeing what I have. I'm gonna put this is our old trampoline, which holds all the bars and stuff from it. This is the material that the kids would jump on for the trampoline. I'm gonna see if I can't make most of it fit on top of that for shade and some of the snow blockage, because we're coming into we're into spring now. So hopefully that'll work, and it gives them shade and keep them cool. But anyways, you guys can like, subscribe, comment. If you haven't subscribed, help me out. Help boost the channel, keep it going better. And a lot of plans coming in the future. Big plans. Some may be good, some maybe not so good, depending on what's going on. I think there will be a big move. I don't know exactly when yet. I'm still planning on possibly going on to Arizona, starting one over there. I know a lot of people are doing that, but that's where I feel like I can be done. And starting here, learning stuff here at home first, and then once I get things going, then I can go over there, get things set up, and start a whole new thing. Whole new homestead. Anyways, got a lot of plans coming up. If you can, share, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, share. A lot of things coming up. I can include you actually doing ideas of building an electric vehicle, because I don't want to have to pay for fuel anymore. My idea would be to run a whole homestead off of solar and possibly wind. I don't know how good wind turbines are, but see if I can make a decent one. Yeah, make everything electric. Vehicle, trailer, house, cooking, everything. Anyways, that's a real quick update. Just start getting stuff going here pretty soon. As soon as the weather settles down, gives me a window break. Anyways, talk to you guys next one. Bye.